Okay, let's take a look at a couple of other ways that you can review what you've entered into the system. We looked at that compact journal listing, so you can see each journal entry, debits and credits, in order by reference number, by posting date, or however you'd like to sort it. Let's say we want to look and see what our account balances are. Here under Financial Accounting, General Ledger, and Account, you can see Display Change Line Items. And this will be more or less a, we had a journal before, so this is more or less a ledger by account that lets us pick our journal accounts. We don't want to filter those, but we'll do it for company code. All open items that we've got at our current date, and we'll just make that key date 1/31/2007. And then once we've filled in our fields, we can click the execute button here. And we see for our cash account here, we've got all these transactions that hit it over the course of the month. So $244,734 worth of activity, net activity. Here we go down to accounts receivable, and you can see the various transactions that hit it. And here you can see the date for the transaction, the document number, what type of document it was, the amount, and the currency here. So it gives us the information we need to see what has happened to that particular account over the course of the period or the fiscal year, whatever we happen to be looking at it at. So that's another way of viewing your data.